The Nike Book 1 Black Label is a bold evolution of Devin Booker's debut signature sneaker. First introduced in 2024, the Book 1 has quickly cemented itself as a staple for both on-court play and off-court style. Now in 2025, Nike is elevating the silhouette with the Black Label edition, an ultra-premium take that pushes luxury and craftsmanship to the next level. These are the Nike Book 1 Black Label. Can't get enough of the silhouette over here. I need all the colors, all the PEs. But before we jump into it, I gotta give a huge shout out to my friend who not only was able to secure these for me, he gifted them to me as well. So thank you, it means a lot. I'm super appreciative and I'm just happy to add these to the collection. Let's go ahead and jump into the details. Starting with the tongue, they do feature this soft suede tongue tag with a black B in cursive embroidered in the middle. On the opposite side, you do have Book's logo embroidered in red. Now the upper and the tongue consists of this premium black denim material. They come with flat black laces. And in the middle of the tongue, you do have this lace loop in denim as well. As you get towards the vamp, you do have a black embroidered Nike swoosh. And as you get towards the toe box, you do have more of that premium black denim. Taking us to the tip of the toe, you do have this denim overlay that's fraying. You can see the white peeking through. And even though this shoe is one of 1,996, each pair is kind of unique as the frayed pattern is different on each pair. Taking us towards the side of the shoe, the quarter panel, you do have this ornament on the right shoe that says one of 1,996. Underneath that, you do have this plastic vinyl swoosh that reflects, it goes from black to a light silver in the light. Around the Nike swoosh, you do have this coconut milk embroidery. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you don't have that signature pull tab, but you do still have Chapter 1 embroidered in black. Taking us to the midsole, you do have this triple black midsole in this rubberized material, and what you don't see is the Cushlon 2 and the Zoom Air unit encapsulated within. And taking us to the outsole, you have that Book 1 outsole in black, and you have that herringbone traction. It's not a translucent outsole, and this is the first Book 1 to feature a big Nike swoosh right in the middle in this faint red. You also have an Air Zoom logo on the heel. The Book 1 Black Label was part of a limited Nike basketball Black Label pack, which also featured KD 18s, Ja 2s, Sabrina 2s, LeBron 22s, and more. The Black Label pairs were limited, with the quantity of each shoe coinciding with the birth year each Nike athlete was born. Devin Booker was born in 1996, so there was only 1,996 pairs released. Most of these were exclusive to the Nike and Foot Locker events in downtown San Francisco during All-Star Weekend 2025. Even though All-Star Weekend was jam-packed with releases from Jordan and Nike, most of the Black Label pairs sold out instantly. Due to their limited nature, I really thought I had zero shot at obtaining these, so I reached out to a friend, and like I mentioned, not only was he able to secure them for me, he gifted them to me as well, so again, a million thanks. And mine did come in a standard, black box, 2 pieces, you lift it up, and they came in a dust bag, but I was seeing pictures of some other pairs from overseas, like Japan. Those came with more of like a briefcase box, and they had foam padding inside. Not too sure why there was 2 different types of packaging, but not really bothered by it. I'm just glad to have the shoes. I'm really excited to see how the line further develops. The Book 2 is supposedly supposed to come out in 2026. So 2025 is jam-packed with more Book 1 releases, and I'm here to collect them all. Now, the Book 1 Black Label did release on February 13th at a price point of $170. And like I mentioned, they weren't available on sneakers or Nike.com. You could only get them at the events in San Francisco. But resale is not too bad, so if you're looking to pick up a pair, you can click our StockX affiliate link in the description below. Any purchase made using that link helps support the channel so we can keep these episodes coming. As far as comfort's concerned, I've said it before, but if you're new to the channel, the Book 1 is one of the more comfortable basketball shoes you can grab right now. You can definitely feel that Zoom air unit in the heel, and you can feel that Cushlon 2 for a comfortable stride. As far as sizing is concerned, I do recommend going up a half size. They do run a little bit short in the toe. Typically on your standard Book 1s, there is a little bit of a break-in period, especially for the pairs that come with the leather upper. But since these are denim, there's a lot more give to it, so there's not really a need for a break-in period. These are comfortable right out the gate. Now, as far as style is concerned, this is already one of my favorite silhouettes as it draws inspiration from other classics like Jordan 1s, Blazers, and Air Force 1s. But this specific pair with this premium black denim upper is definitely giving Dunks, Reese Forbes vibes, but with the black denim. And it's just a really nice colorway that you can pair with a lot of different outfits. I could see these going great with some olive green pants, some cargo pants, some army pants, all that good stuff. Shorts in the summer with some nice Nike socks. You really can't go wrong. It's pretty much all black, but my favorite attribute is the vinyl plastic swoosh. I don't know if you can hear that, but it just really looks good, and I like how the color kind of cascades on that swoosh. But how do you all feel about the Nike Book 1 Black Label? Is this something you were looking to pick up? Did you pay resale for them? Did you grab them during All-Star Weekend? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you all. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can be notified every time we drop new episodes. But let's go ahead and try these on.
I need that Berliner Black NSX by Acura. I'm stacking racks like Yakima. Book 1s on the pedal as I'm backing up. Out the garage, y'all down bad and I'm down for the cause. I'm addicted to the bank, but I'm not having withdrawals. Just more deposits. Run it up. And you won't see VR on my optics. Rather put a beam on a Glock, that Cyclops blick. And I'm working on a bomb that I'ma hit all of my ops with. No Oppenheimer burning rubber, then I swap the tires. You got squares in your circle like a waffle iron. All these rappers probably liars, leave me not inspired. To step up to the plate, 9-8, Mark McGuire. Respect my time, that's all I require. Like I gather church singers, look at all I acquire. I'm a simple man with exquisite taste. Billion about to swoop me up, and we finna win the race. Remove the roof, let the vet ventilate. Let it baby dream.
If you enjoyed this review on the Nike Book 1 Black Label, make sure you check out all our other Book 1 reviews. We have a bunch for you all to binge and enjoy. Also, again, hit that like and subscribe button so you can be up to date every time we drop new content. We'll catch you on the next episode.